How do you perform a forward pass in the critical path method? Have you ever felt overwhelmed by large academic goals? If so, you're not alone. Today, we will discuss a method that can help you break down those goals into manageable tasks. The critical path method is a great tool for this. One of the key steps in this method is performing a forward pass. So, how do you do it? Let's break it down step by step. First, identify the first task or tasks that have no predecessors. These are the starting points of your project. Since they are the first tasks, their earliest start time is 0. This means you can begin working on them right away. Next, calculate the earliest finish time for these tasks. You can use a simple formula. Earliest finish time equals earliest start time plus the duration of the task. For the first task, since the earliest start time is 0, the earliest finish time will just be the duration of that task. Now, it's time to move forward through your project. You will go from left to right in your project network diagram. For each subsequent task, determine its earliest start time. This is done by taking the largest earliest finish time from all its immediate predecessor tasks. This ensures that the task cannot start until all its dependencies are complete. After determining the earliest start time for each task, calculate the earliest finish time using the same formula. Earliest finish time equals earliest start time plus task duration. Continue this process for all tasks until you reach the final task. The largest earliest finish time at the end of your forward pass will representing the earliest possible completion time for your entire project. By completing the forward pass, you establish the earliest timeline for each activity. This is essential for scheduling and resource planning. It also sets the stage for the next step, which is the backward pass. The backward pass will help you find the latest start and finish times for each task and identify any slack or float in your schedule. In the context of academic goal setting, you can apply the forward pass by mapping out all the necessary study activities. Estimate how long each task will take, and then calculate the earliest times you can start and finish each step. This helps create a realistic timeline to achieve your academic goals efficiently. Using the forward pass in the critical path method allows you to organize your tasks effectively. It helps you see how long your project will take and ensures you stay on track. So, the next time you have a big academic goal, remember this method to keep your studies organized and manageable.